Have you ever noticed that some men walk into a room and instantly get attention without even saying a word? Surprisingly, it's often not about expensive clothes or following every fashion trend. Psychology shows that the way you dress sends powerful signals about confidence, personality, and self-respect. When you dress the right way, women often notice you more before you even start a conversation. One of the most important factors is simplicity and cleanliness. Many people think they need flashy outfits to stand out, but in reality, simple and well-fitted clothing often makes a stronger impression. Clothes that fit your body properly show that you pay attention to details and take care of your appearance. Baggy or overly tight clothing can make someone look uncomfortable, while well-fitted clothes create a balanced and confident look. Color choice also plays a subtle psychological role in attraction. Darker colors like black, navy blue, or charcoal gray often create a sense of confidence and maturity. These colors tend to look clean, organized, and stylish without appearing like you are trying too hard. Neutral colors also make it easier to combine different pieces of clothing while maintaining a polished appearance. Another important detail is grooming. Even the best outfit will not have much impact if personal grooming is ignored. A clean hairstyle, trimmed beard if you have one, and good hygiene can dramatically change how others perceive you. Psychology suggests that grooming signals discipline and self-respect. When someone takes care of their appearance, it often communicates confidence and stability. Shoes are another detail that many people overlook. Surprisingly, shoes are one of the first things people subconsciously notice. Clean, well-maintained shoes show that you pay attention to small details. Whether they are casual sneakers, boots, or simple dress shoes, keeping them clean and in good condition adds to an overall sharp appearance. Confidence is also closely connected to how you wear your clothes. The same outfit can look completely different depending on the attitude of the person wearing it. Standing straight, walking calmly, and maintaining relaxed body language makes any outfit look better. When you appear comfortable in what you wear, people naturally perceive you as more confident. Another useful tip is avoiding overcomplicating your style. Many men try to combine too many patterns, accessories, or colors at the same time. A clean and simple style often looks more mature and attractive. A basic combination like a fitted shirt, simple jacket, and well-chosen pants can create a strong and confident look without appearing forced. Quality can also matter more than quantity. Instead of having many random clothes, focusing on a few good quality pieces can improve your style significantly. Well-made clothing tends to fit better, last longer, and look more refined. This creates an impression of someone who values quality and takes pride in their presentation. It's also helpful to develop a personal style that reflects your personality. Clothing should feel natural rather than uncomfortable or artificial. When your style matches who you are, you appear more authentic. Authenticity is attractive because it shows that you are confident enough to express yourself honestly. Another small detail that can make a big difference is posture. Even the best clothing cannot compensate for poor posture. Standing straight with relaxed shoulders immediately improves your overall appearance. Good posture signals confidence and makes your clothing fit and look better. In reality, attracting attention through style is not about spending a lot of money or copying someone else's fashion. It's about understanding the simple principles of presentation: clean clothing, proper fit, good grooming, and confident body language. These small habits work together to create a strong first impression. When you focus on these details, dressing well becomes less about fashion and more about confidence and self-respect. And when people see someone who carries themselves with that kind of confidence, they naturally start noticing them more, even before a single word is spoken.